Here are the answers to the exercises about simplifying rational algebraic expressions. Our problem number 1, we have here x squared minus 2x minus 24 all over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, so to solve this rational algebraic expression, first we need to factor out the numerator and the denominator. Okay, x squared, the factors of x squared will be x multiplied by x. And then the factors of negative 24, we list down here the factors of negative 24. Since this is negative, the larger factor must also be negative. And then we are going to add the factors, and we will search for the factors that will give us the sum that is equal to our second term. And the factors of negative 24 that will give us the sum of negative 2 will be positive 4 and negative 6. So we put here positive 4 and negative 6. And then factoring the denominator, x squared plus 2x minus 8. Again, the factors of x squared will be x multiplied by x. And the factors of negative 8, we are going to find for the factors that will give us the sum of positive 2. Since this is positive, the larger factor must also be positive. And the factors that will give us the sum of positive 2 will be negative 2 and positive 4. And we will put here positive 4 and negative 2. And then looking at the numerator and the denominator, we can see that we have here the same quantity of x plus 4 on the numerator as well as the denominator. So we can cancel this out because this is equal to 1. What will be left now will be x minus 6 all over x minus 2, and this is our final answer. For problem number 2, we have y squared minus 10y plus 21 all over y squared minus 5y minus 14. So factor out the numerator and the denominator. And for the numerator, we have here the factors of y squared. This will be y multiplied by y. And look for the factors of positive 21 that will give us the sum of negative 10. The factors that will give us the sum of negative 10 are negative 3 multiplied by negative 7. And we put here negative 3 and negative 7. And then for the denominators, the factor of y squared will be y multiplied by y. And look for the factors of negative 14 that will give the sum of negative 5. And this will be positive 2 and negative 7. So the factors now will be the quantity of y plus 2 multiplied by the quantity of y minus 7. And looking at the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel out the quantity of y minus 7. What's left will be y minus 3 all over y plus 2. And this is our answer for number 2. Number 3, 81 multiplied by x raised to the 4th, y raised to 0, and z raised to negative 2, all over positive 9, x raised to negative 2, y raised to positive 5, and z raised to positive 10. 81 divided by 9, that is positive 9. And then we have here, since this is division, we are going to subtract the exponents. X raised to 4 minus the exponent of the denominator, which is negative 2. And then y raised to 0 minus the exponent of positive 5. Z raised to negative 2 minus the exponent of positive 10. So we have here 9 multiplied by x raised to positive 6. 4 minus negative 2 is positive 6. And then we have y, 0 minus 5 is negative 5, multiplied by z raised to negative 12. And then those with negative exponents, we are going to put that on the denominator. 9x raised to 6 all over y raised to positive 5 multiplied by z raised to 12 is our answer for number 3. Number 4, 6a squared plus ab minus b squared all over 3a squared plus 2ab minus b squared. So the factors of 6a squared will be the quantity of 2a plus b multiplied by the quantity of 3a minus b. And the factors of our denominator will be the quantity of 3a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And looking at the numerator and the denominator, we can cancel out the quantity of 3a minus b. What will be left now will be 2a plus b all over a plus b. And this is our answer for number 4. Number 5, 16a squared minus 6ab minus b squared all over 10a squared minus ab minus 2b squared. The factors of our numerator will be the quantity of 8a plus b multiplied by the quantity of 2a minus b, and the factors of our denominator, the quantity of 2a minus b multiplied by the quantity of 5a plus b. We can cancel out the quantity of 2a minus b. What will be left will be 8a plus b all over 5a plus 2b. And this is our final answer.